In this video, I'm going to show you how to pierce the corporate veil in 2 minutes using Likely.AI's new ChatGPT integration in conjunction with our refresh engine. Guys, this is powerful, and this is one of many of these videos I'm going to start doing to show you amazing use cases that add a lot of value that you can do for free. So let's get to it. First thing I do is I log into my refresh engine. You can go to my.likely.ai to log in, or my.likely.ai/sign up if you don't already have an account. Once you're logged in, on the left side, you have the ChatGPT. Now, I also have loaded up a lot of contacts, and I come over to the contact. I just have it in a separate tab to make it easy. And I've got some properties here that don't have a first and last name that was provided. I have an LLC. So what do you do when you want to know who the directors are for a property that maybe you're looking to acquire, or there's some other means that you need to get the owners? Usually it's an investment property, or if you're looking to make the acquisition of it in some way. So what you do is you copy it from here, and you want to know what state, so it's Massachusetts. And you put it over here, and you simply write who are the directors for the LLC's name in the state, and boom, it'll give you a list of the directors. Now, you may think this is just a parlor trick and it doesn't work, so let's do another one. What I've done by going through and kind of confirming with several of these different properties is that it does, here, big, let's see what this one does, is that it's pretty accurate. It really is. Looking at open corporates and other places we have to pay to get this data, even though it's public data, there are easy ways to enrich your data by simply having a big data set, which is what the refresh engine is, the my.likely.ai, and then pair it with a tool like a ChatGPT. And we've integrated it together. So this is a great way to do something simple that adds a lot of value to your data. Who are the directors for paste space in MA? And there you have it. So we've just pierced the corporate veil for 2 LLCs in under 2 minutes. Sign up for a free trial if you don't already have one at my.likely.ai/signup. I'll put a link below this video. Guys, check it out. We want you to utilize our big data, our artificial intelligence, and combine it with great tools like ChatGPT, the combination of which are amazing. I promise you, in a year from now, watch this video, and the one thing you will regret doing is not leveraging your data starting today with artificial intelligence. Come join us on the journey.